Do you want to learn how to increase the sound volume of the alarm on your iPhone? Well, you've come to the right video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process step by step. However, please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid any mistakes in this process. Let's get started. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Inside this menu, you'll find an option labeled Ringer and Alerts. If you press the volume buttons, you might notice that the volume appears to be at its maximum level here. However, sometimes the actual sound can still be low. What's gonna happen? The alarm sound is going to be very low. Then just turn the toggle all the way to high. Also, ensure that the volume slider is set to the maximum level. Now, open your clock app, tap on Alarm, then tap the plus icon to create a new alarm. Tap on Sound and check whether the sound is now louder or not. If you find that the alarm initially rings loudly, but then becomes lower, you'll need to adjust a setting to fix this. To do so, go back to your settings, navigate to Face ID and Passcode. Ensure that the Attention Aware Features toggle is turned off. This toggle controls whether your device lowers the volume of alerts and notifications when you're looking at the screen. Disabling this feature should prevent the alarm volume from decreasing. We genuinely hope you found our video helpful. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Should you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.